So today I'm going to be steaming my hair. I know my voice sounds very sexy right now, but that's because I just woke up, and when I woke up I washed my hair. So I just washed it and I wrapped it in this t-shirt. So I'm about to show you guys the recipe I used to steam my hair. I just used 2 bananas, 1 avocado, and an egg, and some oil. So here's the stuff. I put it in the fridge because it was spoiling. I bought it on Monday and I haven't been able to do it since then. So I just put it in the fridge so that it's not spoil. Then I have my egg and some coconut oil. I'm just going to leave my hair in this. Then I'm going to make this mixture. So I'm just going to mash the stuff together just like that with a spoon. So I want to talk to you guys. Tell me about your hair care. Tell me how you take care of your own hair. My hair is currently colored. You guys already know that my hair is blue. So I got it dyed last year, December. It just requires like a little bit more care because it's so dry all the time. Because normally I wouldn't steam my hair, like I don't have that type of strength. I have decided to try and take care of it. And also because like since I dyed my hair, I've actually been feeling it. Like I've been feeling the hair. Like I didn't used to like my hair at all. So now that it's blue, it's like I feel more like myself. I feel happier having it on my body. Like getting a tattoo, that just makes you feel better about yourself. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. It's actually motivating me to take care of it. I was like, let's edit that today by 6 p.m. So how was your week? This week was so edible, but like in a disgusting way. I got this recipe from my baby sister. I have no clue where she got it from. I didn't even research it when she told me. I didn't even care to find out if it's going to work. I just bought the stuff and started doing it because oh shit. Fuck. What was I thinking? I'll show you guys how it's looking now. I just mixed the egg in. It's so gooey. It looks like something out of a Nickelodeon Kids Stress Award. So you guys, time for me to add the oil. It's just coconut oil. It smells like coconut. I just put coconut oil inside. Coconut oil is basically like taking over the entire mixture, like the smell. Like everything still looks very much like avocado. Alright, so I think it's ready now. Now to put it on my hair. I'm scared. I don't know if I'm ready, and I need a rag. I just washed the hair this morning. I have 2 waterproofs to wrap my hair, and then my hair tie to like wrap everything together. So I'm just going to carry everything for like hours while I do my chores. I already parted my hair sort of. It's not a clean parting, but it's good enough. Let's part it roughly into 4.
Girl, I just want me rock. Girl, I just want me over. And girl, I just want me with you like ice water. Me, more pushing me body. Spending my paper. After tonight, I go like to see you late. Person I offended out. Against me, cause of you, I get many haters. I'm a girl, wine for your guy. Tell me with you, they find for your life. My love fair broke me, can fight for your life. Rolling with me, make I roll you as I like. Me rolling more, roll you to set. Every man want to open bonnet. No fit give, but you want to collect. Better girls cast like a cassette. Mama let, don't you forget. Me I be cocky, but now I dey bash. I don't dey fall, baby ticket. Bakasi causing no effects. You no need introduce yourself. Michael Jackson thriller, you are bad. And if I see you for that cafe tell, get the way that your body they burn. Girl, I just want me.
I'm just sitting by my window, so like it's about 8 something a.m. So the morning light is like just hitting my skin in all its glory.
Just want me over. Girl, I just want me to chill like ice water. Me more pushing with body. You spending my paper. After tonight, I go like today. See you later. Person now vendetta. Against me, cause of you, I get many haters. Girl, I just want me to rock. And girl, I just want me to ride. And girl, I just want me to chill like ice water. Me more pushing way but you. We spend you my paper. After tonight, I go like today. See you later. Person now vendetta. Against me, cause of you, I get many haters. Girl, I just want me to rock. Girl, I just want me to ride. Girl, I just want me to chill like ice water. Me more pushing babe but you. We spend you my paper. After tonight I go like today. See you later. Person now vendetta. Against me cause of you I get many haters. Girl, I just want me high.
The stuff was finished, so I'm just like taking the remnants here. So I took the first waterproof or nylon or leather, whichever one you want to call it, and we just like bag the hair. This like keep heat inside the hair. Heat is going to help this stuff like really soak into the hair. Second one for more heat. Ew. Alright, so let me just tie my scarf so that I can get on with my day.
Girl, I just want me to rock. Girl, I just want me over. And girl, I just want me to chill like ice water. Me more pushing way but you. Spending my paper. After tonight, I go like today.
Alright, so that's that. I'm
just
going to carry it on for like 4 to 5 hours. Hey guys, so I didn't properly finish this video because after I took off the stuff I used to steam my hair, I got really busy. So that Saturday was really busy for me, and then throughout the week I've been really busy. So I just said let me come back here and tell you guys what happened and how my hair was, how the treatment affected my hair, and if it actually worked, because the whole point of doing it was to make my hair softer. So I'm going to tell you guys how it went. Obviously I made a new hair. You guys can compliment me in the comments, I don't mind, thank you. So I carried the mixture, or I don't know what to call it. I carried the stuff for about 3 hours, from 9:30 to 11:30. So that's like 2 hours or 3 hours, I don't know. So, but while I was carrying it, the eggs were just leaking everywhere. Like it was just pouring everywhere, and it was very, very disgusting. I washed it off, and then I used shampoo to just wash my hair, like to wash off every little bit of the stuff that was left on it. There were like chunks of banana and avocado that were in my hair, so I had to get them out of my hair. So I just washed my hair like twice after that. After I did all that, my hair was looking a little bit green. So you guys know that my hair is blue right now. And after I used this mixture thing, my hair was now tinted like a greenish blue, like a sea green blue. So I don't know if it was the avocado that sort of changed my hair color or did something with the dye. So if your hair is dyed you should consider a different method of making your hair soft, or a different steaming method if you mind the color change. But I don't really mind it, so it doesn't really matter to me. I don't mind the color change. So after I washed my hair, I got out of the shower and I moisturized it with shea butter. I just used this shea butter that I got in Abuja, but I guess you can get it anywhere. It should be like 100 naira or 200 naira, I don't know, it's quite cheap. That's just what I use to moisturize my hair. You can also use it for your body. Hair is really nice. I just use it and rub a little bit of it on my hair to kind of seal in the moisture. And after that, let me tell you guys, my hair was very soft. Like, my hair was super soft. It was really nice, and it wasn't like, when it was very dry, it felt as if it wanted to break. That's how my hair felt before I steamed it or I deep conditioned it. So after doing it, it was like very soft, and I really loved that, because that was what I was going for. I wanted my hair to be softer, more manageable, because last time I made my hair, it was so painful, it was so dry, and I just felt like I needed to do something to the hair to like make it softer. So it actually got very soft after I did that, and making this hair was not painful at all, because my hair was very easy to manage. I didn't even have to use like put water on it while they were making the hair. So it was quite nice. That means the mixture actually worked. It actually worked. So the texture of my hair was really soft, and even till now, like, the baby hair side is really soft, and my hair is no longer so brittle anymore. Like, it's not breaking. I don't feel like it's too, I don't know, too stressed. Yeah. So then after doing that, I obviously made this hair, which you guys can compliment, because I know it looks good. I just used one pack of attachment, like half a pack of attachment, to make this hair. It was Lush attachment I used, and it was blue. I'll put the picture of it here. So that was basically all I did about steaming my hair. You guys have already seen the process. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments, even though I'm not an expert like in hair care, but if I know the answer or know who to ask for you, I'll definitely reply your comments. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if it helped you, and share it to someone else that needs this recipe on how to steam or deep condition their hair. And I will see you guys in my next video.